A big news for investors in India. Jio Payments Bank is about to make your money work a lot harder for you. Let's decode their brand new plan called Savings Pro account, which is India's first auto investing savings account. Most of us keep our extra money in savings accounts, earning tiny interest, sometimes even less than inflation. At Jio Payments Bank, for instance, the savings interest recently dropped from 3.5% to 2.5%. If you look at any other commercial banks, private or public sector, the savings account interest rate will be around 2.5 to 3% only. That means your money isn't really growing. But here is the game changer. Jio Savings Pro will automatically invest your idle cash into overnight mutual funds, which can earn you 5 to 6% annualized returns, all while keeping it liquid. Let's do the math. Suppose you keep 1 lakh as an emergency buffer in your savings bank account. In a regular savings account at 2.5% rate of interest per annum, you would earn 2,500 rupees in a year. With auto invest in overnight funds at 5.5% rate of interest per annum, your return jumps to roughly 5,500 rupees. That's an extra 3,000 rupees a year on 1 lakh rupees of investment, on money that you would otherwise keep idle. Of course, there is some fine print. Payment banks like Jio cannot hold more than 2 lakh per customer. So this is perfect for short-term cash, not long-term wealth building. Also, overnight funds, while safe, aren't completely risk-free. The returns can fluctuate slightly with interest rate movements. And liquidity, you will get your money the next day, not instantly like a regular savings bank account. Jio is using this as part of a bigger push. Currently, Jio Payments Bank serves 25 lakh customers with 358 crore rupees deposit base. By offering Savings Pro, they are expanding beyond just transactions and trying it into their larger ecosystem, including insurance, asset management, and loans. So, what should you do as an investor? Use Savings Pro for short term cash like emergency funds or monthly buffers. Don't park large wealth here, stick to fixed deposits or other liquid funds for bigger amounts, and keep an eye on taxation and liquidity needs. To sum up, Jio Payments Bank's Savings Pro could make your idle money work smarter, not harder. If you are looking for better returns on short-term funds without much hassle, this could be perfect. What do you think about auto investing accounts? Would you try it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on money, finance and investments.